Koktisalo National Youth Deno Rwgwi Ramakrishna Mission School Khlaijakha Kaisa Panda Panda Narwai Okra Ngai Manjakha Hastini Hastefa Indro Senare Dinalo no Khobete Kubun Adongrok
Ashalni Pandawa Pulano Borom Ganang, Swami Vivekanandani Mangtongo Kumbogoi, Boromia Khlaijakha, the Ashalni Pandawa, Narwai Okra Ngai Manjaknai Rokno Rite Kumriwai Pandawa, Lamjak Shogun Khlaijakha, Abahikino Ashalo National Anthem the Samani Yakolo, Pandana Chek Shaweraka, Hastini Hastefa Indroshina Redinalo, Pandani Pythagorung Sringnai Rokno, Dalvidal Koklam Shawekana Roka, Hastini Hastefa Indroshina Redinalo.
I remind the statement of Vivekananda about the belief in the youth. Vivekananda said that give me young, energetic young men and I shall transform India. The fact that youth can transform not just India but the world, building the youth of today for the future of tomorrow. Swami Vivekananda was a farmer and a thinker who continues to inspire Indian youth. This day serves as powerful catalyst for young people to take new resolutions and strive for excellence. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ji put it, this day is a day of great inspiration for every Indian youth. It is a day for taking new resolutions.
Raza Khorang nismi pranamni koktum Chini Khorang.